Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today,
BBnaija top 6, Cross, Pere, Emmanuel, Angel, Whitemoney, and Liquorose review their handlers. Let's check them out one after the other. We all know by now that the handlers of any Big Brother Naija housemate is very important to all the housemates, knowing that they manage the image of the housemate outside the house. This is why handlers are always appreciated and fans are always curious to know who is behind their favorite housemates' social media platform. It is now tradition for handlers to reveal their identity after every Big Brother Naija season. Now, let's check out the handlers of your favorite housemate and top 6 finalists.
First on the list is Emmanuel's handler, who wrote, 10 weeks ago, the reality that Emmanuel was going to enter the Big Brother house. In my final conversation with him, I asked him what his strategy was, and all he said was, I'm just going to be myself. That's all I know how to be. 72 days later, and the love towards Emmanuel is so real and surreal at the same time. The world has come to know him and love him. It's been an amazing journey. Calls in the middle of the night, DMs, the love and passion from the Emirates were very felt. I'm so proud of all we have accomplished, all with just a dream. This is the starting point. The king is meant for greater things and the kingdom has just been birthed. Thank you so much to Big Brother Naija Multi-Choice Group for the platform, to the team, the new family, and of course the Emirates. Thanks. This is Ayatunde Twitch for House of Twitch signing out. Over to you, Emmanuel. Well, so cute. Now let's see his face. Yes, people, this is Ayatunde Twitch, the handler of Emmanuel's platforms. Now, let's go check out who handled Cross. This beautiful lady right here is the handler of Cross platforms, and she wrote while revealing her identity. About 10 weeks ago, I, Tessie Sioma Olota, at Tessie Banks, commenced the journey handling this page, and from that moment on, I knew there was something special about Cross that I loved so much, which was his unmatched energy. It wasn't all roses and flowers like people assume. It was way more than that. There were times when the road got tough, but watching Cross from the screens gave me hope to stand firm and stay strong. Hashtag Cross Nation, thank you for making my job seamlessly easy for me, and to the best team I worked with, you are all amazing for constantly being my backbone. This is me, Tessie Banks 1, saying thank you so much to everyone and signing out. Over to you at Cross_boss. Well, she really is gorgeous. Let's check out a picture one more time. There you go, people, at Tessie Banks, the handler of Cross's social media platforms. Now let's check out that of Angel. Anyone who followed Angel during the Big Brother Naija show would know that Angel had over time revealed that her father was behind her social media platforms. Although there has not been an official review yet on her page, but we all knew during the show that she couldn't stop talking about how her father was going to have a heart attack if she had gone home at different times she was nominated. Angel had also mentioned that her father was a PR strategist and she was sure that he was going to do an amazing job handling her platforms. Well guys, there you have it. Angel's handler is a father. Moving on to the next one, and this time let's talk about Pere's handler. The handler of Pere's social media platform wrote, "Hello Patriots, the first rule of communication is understanding. Patriots, we understand each other so much. We know when to play and we know when to be serious. We cruise, we laugh, we support, we love, and we stand for the truth. That's one beautiful thing I'm taking with me in this journey. Thanks, Patriots, for making the job fun. It's been an honor to handle both Instagram and Twitter pages for the general. It's at Kunle__real. And yes, guys, here is what Kunle__real looks like. Moving on to the next, and that is Liquorose. Well, it appeared that Liquorose handler did not come as a shock to many, as they kind of had the idea that it's a friend that was behind the page. Revealing the identity, she wrote, "It's been an amazing journey handling this page so far. Thank you Liquor Lions and Rose Army and to the team for making my job amazing. It's my birthday today. You will wish me a happy birthday. At Ifoma_, love you all." Yes, it's a friend and also a partner in the GGB dance crew. As you know, of course, that Liquorose is one of the 3 girls in the dance crew. Yes, happy birthday, girl. And finally, guys, let's check out Whitemoney's handler, who made an entire video for us. Revealing his identity, he wrote, "Handler review, and it's a wrap. It's been 10 crazy wild weeks and it was no easy feat. Oh yes, I am Libra_King and I'm unapologetically the handler of the one and only Whitemoney. Oh, scratch that. I'm the baddest handler out here. Although it wasn't always bedizened with rosy moments, but when you handle someone who effortlessly entertains like Whitemoney, the task becomes easier. Would I do it all over again? Oh yes. Some people even opined that Whitemoney handled the social media account himself because of our similarities. Amos 3:3. Can two work together except they agree? I enjoyed every bit of this. Thank you, WMG. You all are the real MVP. Cheers to more success to come and a new face fortuned with greatness. Who day? Oh yeah, it's my birthday today, so that's double celebration. Aye. I beg, make una run me those una promises, Biko. Love you all to the fullest at Libra_King. Zukalate celebrate grace. Let's check out the video he made for his review. So yes, there you have it. Libra_King handled Whitemoney social media platforms. And that's all the gist we have for you today regarding the top 6 finalists and their handlers. Let's know what you think in the comment section and who is your favorite handler. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go. See you soon.